god, I freaked out.
Woof. Woof.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day, and we're up, and my girl is having her orange juice. My boy is having his breakfast. I slept in an extra hour after Sarah woke up this morning. Babe was on the early shift. I woke up, took over, and now he's back in bed. So that's how we do it around here. We tag team to make things work. So I'm up in time to put Sarah down for her morning nap. To put Sarah down for her morning nap, make my green juice, and just get this day going. Hopefully quarantine is still going good for you guys. Finish? You want some more? More? Finish. It's finished. Finish. Hopefully quarantine is still going good for you guys. We're still inside. The update of the latest here is that the numbers are kind of getting steady here. It's not really increasing much, so I think we've reached a peak of the deaths and the cases at this moment. But let's see what the next few days will hold. We'll let you guys know what's going on. But yeah, that's what's going on around here. Hopefully you guys are staying loved, staying blessed, staying motivated. And this little warrior diaper want to change, so I'm gonna go change her diaper and come back and make her some green juice.
I want to drink crystals. Morning face.
For a nap. Tyler is playing in his room. Baby's sleeping. Perfect time for me to come in the kitchen and clean it and cook as I go along. Cook and clean as I go along. So I am getting dinner out of the way right now. I am making some quinoa, and I'm just gonna saute some shrimp, and I'm gonna blanch some vegetables, and that's going to do for dinner. And then for lunch I am going to make tuna salad, and it's winding down to that time to the 2 weeks mark since we went to the supermarket. So I need fresh stock of fresh vegetables. I don't need like rice and those things, but I need vegetables. So at the end of this week, baby's gonna have to go to the supermarket to get fresh things for me. So that's where I'm at right now, because I'm on my last lettuce, my last carrots, my cucumber is finished, my last everything is on its way right now. So that's what's up in the Delaveaus household. Hopefully you guys still have supplies and don't really have to go out. But other than that, we are good on this side of the world. So I'm getting everything in the kitchen done so I can sit and work. It's a day where normally I take this particular day to knock out as much work for the week as possible. So today will be no different. So the blanched vegetable that I'm making is broccoli, my last broccoli, and I'm gonna add some corn to it. I'm not gonna add any carrot to it because I'm leaving the carrot for Sarah to make dinner and lunch for Sarah until babe go to the supermarket. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. And today is a day of rest for me, so no workout today. It's fully rest day today and resume tomorrow. Somebody is awake. Somebody is awakey, wakey. Hello, bright eyes. Hello. You wakey, wakey, wakey. Oh, come. Up. Got you, got you.
The best big brother ever.
You're reading?
Yeah.
Good job. What's the name of the book that you're reading?
I am a big brother.
Okay, you love that book.
Yes, because look,
What's that?
I'm tickling Sarah. I want to tickle her now.
You have to tickle her now.
It's just like on the book.
Just like on the book.
Yes.
And you're happy, brother, tickling you? Yes. Alright. Now that you're up, it's almost lunchtime for you. But you let mama get some things done, so that's good. Almost lunchtime. Almost lunchtime, you hungry? It's not even 11 o'clock yet. Huh? You have almost an hour to wait. I'm surprised that you're up already. Hmm? Okay guys, my job here is done. That's lunch. I'll mix in the tuna. I'll mince it up when it's time for us to eat. And then for dinner, that's the steamed veggies and carrot and corn. That's the shrimp over there. That's quinoa. All done. Hold on, Tyler. Yes, Stella?
Luke says, I am a big sister.
Yes, because those are other books that you can get just like this one.
Yes.
You finished reading it?
Yes.
All of it?
Yes.
Okay. Careful with your finger.
I'm going for another book.
Okay. He says, I tell him this morning that he wanted to play game. He's obsessed with Uno. Tell him to play Uno every chance he gets. So I tell him that, you know what? You can't become a doctor or a pilot if you just play Uno all day. So I said, Mama, what do I need to do? I tell him that he needs to read books, read and read and read. So he said, okay, that's what he's gonna do. So he's been up from morning and reading. You know, with kids, you have to tell them the truth. You have to tell them the truth and they'll obey. They'll do as you say. So, the truth never hurt nobody. And with Tyler, you can't fool him. You have to tell him like it is.
Yeah.
Where's your Sarah?
Mama, 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 mama. Mama, mama, mama. I'm taking a break from working and enjoying a little sun outside. Sarah and the flowers. Everybody's outside chilling a bit. Sarah and our welcome. And Babe and Tyler playing Uno. Who is winning and who's losing?
Well, I'm still trying to recover from the beginning, from all of the players that I
Mama, look at my 2 cards.
Okay.
Yeah, good job.
Yes, I have 2 good cards.
Sarah watching the game.
Look, Tyler, I'm coming. How many have 2 cards now?
Tyler, make sure you say Uno when you're about to win.
And don't show me your game, because it's
Papa,
your
see
game.
in your hand.
Uno, I win.
I see Sarah.
First, Papa losing. Papa, because every time I have a good play.
Tyler?
Good play.
Not just you more.
Yes, we play more.
But he's pick up all those
We're
cards.
starting with 3 plus 2 and 1 plus 4 and skip.
Where you get this card from? You share the pretty hand to yourself?
Yes.
Deliberately? On
Yeah.
purpose? You look at it?
No, I didn't look at it, but I know.
So how you know it's the pretty card? You marked him. You marked him. Come here. What is that? Is the champion cup that?
Yes, that is for me. Because, Papa, you are
Hey, little. You guys, let me tell you what I discovered earlier and I became so sad. I discovered one of Sarah's earring missing from her ears. I'm like, oh my god, babe! Oh my god, I freaked out. I'm like, babe! Because all the other gold earrings that I have for myself is big earrings, but what I just figured out, if you're a new mom and you pierce your daughter's ears, always buy a backup earring for cases like this, because now she lose one of the earrings. It's quarantine time, everywhere is closed, and I cannot get another earring for her right now. So I had to put in one of my earring that is not gold in her ears, just to keep the hole open. Though she's 8 months, almost 9 months, so it should be okay for a while if there's no earring in it, but I don't want to take any chances. So I'm just going to watch it to see if she's gonna have a reaction with the earring. Though it's been in her ears now almost all day, and she seemed okay. She's not having a reaction, so thank God. Yeah, but if you look close in her ears, if you guys gonna see her after this clip, then you'll see that one of her ears. Sarah, come here. Sarah, come here. Come here. Come to mama. Come here. Stella, move your foot. Come here. Come here, mama. Come here. Come to mama. Good girl. Let Fav see your ears. So this one is the one that was pierced with the gold. And if you look in the other one, you'll see a silver one. That one is actually my earring. So that's the one she lost. I'm trying to track back footage to see when was the last time she had me an earring. But the funniest thing is that I'm a vacuum and clean freak. So I vacuum the house all 10 times for the day. So I'm sure the vacuum probably pick it up, or I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. But hey, when quarantine up, I'll just buy her 2 pairs. So she'll have backup for backup. So lesson learned. If you pierce your baby girl ears, buy a backup pair of earrings just in case.
Woof. Woof.
She's too cute.
Les mains en l'air.
You guys, I'm excited! The small things, the little things that you get excited for. So I was I was taking a shower earlier. Babe came to the bathroom and said he thought I was out, but don't worry. I was like, why did he come to me and now he said no, don't worry. And I came out the bathroom, he's like, look at the computer. I'm looking at his computer screen. He's like, no, look down on the computer. There was Sarah's earring. He found it. Sarah's earring. It fell in her playpen in the living room, and babe took out everything that was. He took out the mattress piece and that thing. That's where he saw it under there. So she got her earring back. Yay! So her earring is back. I'm back. I'm no longer sad. I'm happy. Yeah.